Welcome back. Today we would look further into the print function, and our agenda today is to print the following output, which says our second program with Python, the print function is declared like this: print this or this. This is the entire print statement without the hash symbols like you see. We should be displaying this with a single print function and not be using multiple print functions. So let's quickly see how we could print this. So I'll declare the print function. So it says our second program with Python. In order to get to the new line character, I'll say /n. I'll say the print function is declared like this. I'll do this, again a new line character. I'll say print. I'll start the inverted commas and I'll say what to print, or I'll again do a new line. This time it's again print. What to print, and I should be closing my commas and the bracket. Now if you see, there is this part, what to print, in the second line has not come as a statement, but it's coming as a separate function. Now this is because we already have double inverted commas here. So ideally we should either, because we have to print this with the double inverted commas, so I would start my print function with triple inverted commas and print this following output. Let's quickly see if the program passes the test. So I again would check the Python version. Yeah, I need to go inside code. I'll do a Python version and I do Python p002.py and let's see. So this is the output that we have. If you see that there is a new line character that we would like in the beginning, and just to make it really pretty, so I'll save this program again and I'll run this again, and let's see if we are getting the same output. So this says our second program with Python, the print function is declared like this: print this, right? So this is how we display things in Python. Let's see what happens if we put a new line at the end of the string. So this is how our program would look like. If we also want the hash symbols to come, we could do that as well. And let's see if that works for us. I'll save this program and quickly run this. So this is how the entire output looks like. Now, if we were still using the double inverted commas, let's see what kind of errors we would get into. As we see, we are looking at quite some errors, right? And if I do this and if I run the same thing, this would give me an error saying that blah 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 blah, there is a syntax issue, there are missing commas, or you have forgotten something. So the ideal way to do it is, if we have to print something with double inverted commas there, it's always better to have this string attached. I would again run the I hope you guys are liking the videos. Please make sure that you hit the like button, which encourages us to create more videos like this. Please do share these videos and the channel with people if you feel that this is adding value to your lives. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great time.